Hello everyone, welcome back to this video with me Munir Gula. Now we are on the part 2, and in this part 2 we are going to learn about vocabularies. Halo semuanya, selamat datang kembali di video ini dengan saya Munir Gula. Sekarang kita di bagian 2, dan di bagian 2 ini kita masih mempelajari tentang kosakata. Selamat belajar. Ruangan kelas, classroom. Broom, blackboard, whiteboard, chair, chalk, chalk tray, classmate, clock, desk, dictionary, door, student's table, teacher table, dictionary, eraser, flag, floor, flower, garbage can, trash can, dustbin, basket, lamp, lacquer, marker, pen, pencil, ruler, students, teacher, whiteboard, window, president's picture, vice president's picture, eagle picture, class blueprints, attendance book, class notebook, glove, tablecloth, lesson timetable,